friends, today we're going to be counting from 30 to 40. Are you ready, friends? Let's go! Today we're going to be making our numbers with sparkly Play-Doh. The first number that we're going to make is the number 30. Wow! You need a 3 and a 0. We're going to choose 2 colors to make our number 30. I'm going to choose this one right down below. I have the color orange and white. We're going to use the color white to make our number 3. The Nike. Yes! Fantastic! Adina is going to use the orange to make the number 0. Are you ready? Since it made the number 30. The next number that we're going to make is a number 31. We need a 3 and a 1. Wow! 2 colors to make the number 31. I'm going to choose this one right here. The color that I'm going to choose to make our 3 is green. Woohoo! Slice it in half. Sorry, little boy, you're not going to be with your best friend.
Aww.
Oh! Adina's gonna make the number 1 with the blue Play-Doh. This is the number 31. We're gonna make the number 32. We need a 3 and a 2. Okay. We pick 2 colors. What color should we do? Let's see. Meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on the toe. If you wanna let it go. Meeny, miny, mo. Orange. Meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger on the toe. If you want to let it go. Meeny, miny, mo. We used orange and gray to make the number 32. We use the gray to make the number 3. This is the number 32. Awesome! Let's count from 30 to 40. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40! Ask your parents to hit the subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the like and share down below to watch more videos with me, Armine's Tea Party. Let's continue making more numbers, friends. Let's go! We need to pick 2 colors to make the number 33. Which one should we do? use green and white. We're gonna use sparkly white and sparkly green. I'm gonna use the color sparkly white to make the number 3. Good job! Thank you. Yeah, we need to press it. We need this.
Okay.
Good job. Whoa. That was funny. This is the number 33. We use sparkly green and sparkly white. We're going to pick 2 colors to make the number 34. What color? I'm going to pick yellow and baby blue. I'm going to use the color yellow to make the number 3.
Great!
And Adina is going to use baby blue to make her number 4.
Aha! Good job!
This is the number 34. We use sparkly yellow and baby blue. Ta-da! Yeah! And then let's go right here. Let's go Sunday. Good job! We need 2 colors for the number 35. What color should I use? We're gonna use red and brown to make 35.
Great!
I'm gonna use brown for the number 3.
Aha!
We're gonna use red for the number 5. This is the number 35. We use brown and sparkly red. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40! We need 5 more to get to 40. Alright, let's keep going. We're almost there! The next number that we're going to make is the number 36.
Great!
We need a 3 and a 6. Let's choose our color. 2 colors. Dark pink and light pink. I'm going to use the light pink to make the number 3. 3. So squishy. This is the number 36. The next number that we're going to make is the number 37. You need a 3 and a 7. The colors that we picked are black and sparkly purple. I'm going to make the number 3 with the color black. This is the number 37. We use black and sparkly purple. One. Let's count our numbers one more time. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. The next number is going to be 38. We a 3 and 8. The two colors that we're going to pick is gold and teal. We're going to make the number 3 with teal. I'm going to use my tool the roller to roll it. Now we're going to use the color gold to make the number 3. There's little black spots. Looks like cookie dough. Remember how you make those cookies? Roll the cookie dough, flat the cookie dough, and roll the cookie dough. This is the number 38. We are almost there, friends. We only need 2 more numbers. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40! We need just 2 more! Let's go! We're going to make the number 39. We need a 3 and a 9 to make 39. I'm going to use the color white to make the number 3. And then's going to use pink to make her number 9. Adina made the 39 with white and pink.
Wow! Just wow!
Let's count one more time, friends. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. One more. We made it to the last number. 40. How about this special color, guys? Can you guess what it is? In 3, 2, 1, violet!
Awesome!
And what else? How about actually orange?
Hey!
We're gonna use violet for the number 4. Wow! Look at the color, guys. Adina's gonna use the color sparkly orange to make her number 0. We made the number 40 with violet and sparkly orange. Let's count our numbers one more time. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We made it, friends. We made 30 all the way to 40 with sparkly Play-Doh. Thank you, friends, for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share down below to watch more videos with me, Armine, and my sister Adina at Armine's tea party. Bye, friends! Let's count one more time, friends. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40! Bye, friends!